Hello, guys. In today's podcast, we will talk about a quite controversial topic that is the Tren Maya. So, before we get to express our opinions on this matter, it's necessary to have a general introduction to it. In the past few years, we could appreciate discomfort by a part of the population on a project, the project called Tren Maya, since it certainly implies a severe damage to nature. Yeah, activists were like a little bit mad about it, but on the other hand, we have people who are interested in the fulfillment of this project because it will have a major positive impact on Yucatan's economy. So, yeah, since it will connect the major touristic attractions of Yucatan.
If you let me, I would like to emphasize the values that each side of the coin are exposing. When we point out the harm to the nature, we could deduct that they are looking forward to the protection of possibly endangered species and the well-being of the ecosystems on the area. They do care about something else besides money. Unlike the side in favor of the project, which kinda feels materialistic.
Also, this project will affect heavily on the lands and it would be a repairable effect. Also, to be fair, we could say that they're looking forward to develop the economy on this part of Mexico, and it will also improve the population's lifestyle due to the fact that the movement will be easier for all of those who live in that area. But nevertheless, we cannot argue against the fact that nature is not something money can buy, and also in restore in this case. We cannot tell if the consequences of this project are worth the affectations that will gather.
Moreover, in the project itself, is stated that it will also have a positive impact on the culture because this project will not only take part in Yucatan, so it will connect the Mayan world to 5 other states of the Mexican southeast that are also, well, these states are going to be included in all of this, so like the culture exchange might be something good.
Well, if you have a valid point, then it will be helpful to share our culture with others. But remember that nature is also part of our culture. We are risking dozens of hectares of jungle and vital water sources in the process of this project.
I totally agree with the fact that money simply cannot restore what this project might take. But even then, I kind of agree with both. I have heard some rumors that somehow the activists are not interested in protecting nature, or why would they be acting this late? The project began in 2018, and it was not until 2021 2022 that they started complaining about it. The true devastation of this area began a long time ago.
Well, I think I feel, I mean, I'm not sure, I'm not an activist, but when it started in 2018, it just started like with all the information, the proposals, and that kind of stuff. But it wasn't until now, until 2021, 2022, that they saw the real impact on the cenotes. Like, I remember I saw a video of it where a concrete wall was in the middle of the cenote, you know? So that's why they are arguing. But, yeah, because I don't see how the activists could have another purpose apart from protecting nature. Even though Greenpeace got involved in this case, so the objective is clear. We cannot let our ambitiousness to blind us. I mean, we need to protect our nature. So even the Fondo Nacional de Fomento al Turismo, that we can say that it's in favor of this project, spread advice on it and a study on it. So it's just a matter of time for the Semarnat to evaluate it and confirm how destructive it will be for the cenotes, for the jungle, even for the jaguar. That, yeah, it's an animal part of our culture, and we cannot risk losing such an emblematic animal for the trade.